Here is a tutorial on how to convert Word file into PDF to submit on D2L. First, to access Word on your computer, if you don't already have it, you need to sign up for Office 365. For Camosun students, go to www.camosun.ca. Scroll to top links where you click on IT services. Any problems associated with computers, you could go to live chat. It works great and quite instant. Sign up for Office 365. Click on the link, enter your Camosun student number starting with C0 followed by the numbers, and then your password. Welcome to Microsoft 365. Find Word on the left icon menu. Click on it, then upload your file from your computer. You could use Word, the online version, which is a little different than the computer version, on PC or Mac. Enter your data. And don't forget to align to center for neatness. Don't forget to save your work. Hit File on top left-hand menu and then Print. This converts the file to Adobe PDF, and then you could save the file on your computer. You could save it as a name, experiment 2, titration, dot last name, dot first name. Then upload your file to D2L in the appropriate folder.